Hello YouTube, this is going to be short video on how to do yourself the wiring. Okay, so from the main power supply, these three are live wires. Okay, I took them out from with the help of electrician so that I can install this kind of board in future. So this is the live phase, red one, the black one is the neutral, and green one is for earthing. Same way we have to just connect same three wires when you will be ready with your board, and this way you have to make the switch and power socket. Okay, this is the three switch and three socket board which will be installed this way on this wall. Okay, now I'll explain you how the supply goes. So the top board you see on the top side, these are the switches 1 2 3. Okay, so these three switches have the phase supply directly connected to this wire, which will go into phase of your DP switch. That means the main supply. Okay, then when we will turn on this button, this supply will transfer from here to here. Okay, and then when we will turn on the button, this supply will go to our power socket, and then our socket will give supply to any equipment which is attached to it. Okay, so this phase the is the important parameter, the deciding factor whether your switch will turn on or off. Okay, so this phase in continuation went to the main board, and then from the switch this phase wire goes to the socket. As you can see here, I purposefully used one open socket over here so that I can demonstrate it in a better way. So now the earthing goes directly into the socket, no need to touch to the switch. Okay, so this is the earthing, this is the earthing, and this is the earthing which goes to the directly the mains earthing which came out from your ground floor. Okay, now this is a neutral also acts as a earthing only, I mean which has the connection as a earthing only directly into the socket. This is a neutral, same neutral jumped all together, no need to touch to the switch. Okay, so this neutral wire we go to the your main supply. Only thing here confusing is the switchboard. Okay, so just remember one thing, whenever this switch is off, okay, the continuation should break. So the continuation should start when switch will be on. That's why from here onwards all the circuit should be separated when we separate it from the phase. So only the top line of your switch should have the direct phase connection. Okay, so I have the habit to do everything myself, because if you get this done from the electrician will at least charge you around 200 rupees Indian rupees to get this wiring done and install this board. But I have all the equipments with me, like I have the drill machine and the screwdriver behind it, electronic screwdriver and everything, and I enjoy doing this work myself because I am DIY guy. I love to do things myself. So this is a short video to explain how it is done. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Thanks for watching. Live loud.